Hi, I'm Pat Freeman, and welcome back to my channel. If you're a first-time viewer, check the description below to the video where I changed the oil in the BMW i8. Today, I'm going to go through the procedure of checking the oil. Okay, I currently have the i8 running and in comfort mode, so the internal combustion engine is not running. And if I come over to the iDrive controller and press Menu, I can then see on the display a menu, and in there is vehicle info. So if I select the iDrive controller for vehicle info and then vehicle status, I then have the ability to measure the engine oil level. So it can tell me what the engine oil level is if I select this, or I could say measure engine oil level. So if I select that, it now starts the cycle of, well, actually it prompts you. The measurement's only possible when the vehicle's warmed up and it's on a level surface, and you got to be in park or neutral. So I don't press the accelerator, and I just scroll up to start measurement. This is grayed out if your engine isn't warm enough or if you're not on a level surface. So if I go ahead and click start measurement, the engine just started up, and it's starting to measure the engine oil level. And the engine stopped, and there we have a graphical representation of our dipstick. Now I filled the engine this week with 4 liters of oil, and it's well within the recommended range. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.